How to fix Discord high EMS on Discord. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this you have to go now directly to apps or applications. Here as you can see, you will find all the applications that you have on your phone, but you will just click on Discord and then go to storage option and go to clear data, click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last things is to go to Play Store and updating your Discord again. And that's it guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another videos.